Hello, my name is Bright. I will quickly walk you through how to make use of BB EdTech AI. You choose your preferred browser, like Chrome or Safari, and go to the website. It will take you to the landing page. BB EdTech AI is an AI exam simulator app where you can practice your theory exams and understand what you need to fix before you enter the exam hall. You can sign in with Google, or you can decide to create an account. Choose the option you prefer, then press continue. It will take you to your profile page, where you enter your details. You can fill in your name, academic level, area of study, country, and your state. We have two main features, the MCQ Exam Simulator and the Theory Exam Simulator. Before you can use them, you have to input your course. That's the My Course Setup tab. You click it, then you can register your course. For example, let's go with Introduction to Computer Science. For the course code, we have CSC 101. Then you enter your course outline or course topics. You can also enter your lecturer's favorite terms or keywords. Then you press save and it will save your course. You can go back to the dashboard and click any of the options. We'll go with the MCQ Exam Simulation. In the MCQ section, you can select a course you've registered, then enter your field of study and your level, whether undergraduate, postgraduate, or researcher. Enter the number of questions you want to generate and the duration. Then you create your exam. Once the exam is ready, you'll see the questions and you'll select your answers. You can see the timer at the top. You can also choose your confidence level, how confident you are about each answer, whether you are highly confident, moderately confident, or not confident. On the right side of the panel, you can see the questions you've answered and the ones you are currently answering. As soon as you are done, you can hit submit. It will ask if you are sure you want to submit, then you confirm. Now this is the grading dashboard. It shows that my score is 80% and my likelihood of passing is 84%. It calculates the probability of me getting similar questions correct in the exam hall. The probability that I'm likely to pass the exam is 84%. It uses my confidence level, the time I used, and my grade to calculate this probability. You can also see where you lost marks. It highlights where you lost marks and what you need to fix urgently, your study pattern. It also shows that if you fix these areas now, this is the percentage improvement you are likely to add to your exam. You can also see the model answers. It explains why the correct answer is right and why the other options are wrong. Now we can go back to the dashboard and click on the Theory Exam Simulator. Here you can also configure your exams. You select your registered course, enter your field of study, your level, the number of questions, and the duration. Then you start the exam. Once the exam starts, you will see your questions. Each question has its own marking guide that helps you structure your answers properly, so you don't write too much or too little. Each question is divided into parts A, B, C, and each part has its own grading guide. When you are done, you hit the submit button. As you can see, since I didn't enter any answers, it shows my score and the probability of me passing the exam. The probability is low because I didn't write anything. It shows that my readiness score is very low, about 15%. My readiness score is 15% even though I didn't write anything, but it still acknowledges that I finished early. It also shows that my writing risk is high and my readiness score is low. In the cumulative performance analysis, my structure is poor and my blank response rate is 100%. So it tells me that I need to work on my blank response rate. Moving on, it shows what I need to fix urgently. If I fix these areas, I can improve my score from 0 to 15%. It also shows the model answers that I need to learn as soon as possible. Once I understand those answers, I'll be ready to improve. I can also view my stats in my history and see what I've done so far. Then I can go back and log out. Once I log out, it takes me back to the landing page. So this will be all for now about BB EdTech.
BB EdTech AI.